Hi dear friends, welcome again to the channel AKY Biotech. So today here again we are with a new video for you. We'll be discussing the important questions which have been previously asked in the examination. And please subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video so that you can get all the latest updates related to the questions which we are uploading nowadays. So here comes a question which was asked in the previous video. It was disaccharide molecules that contain the beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage are. So the correct option out of this is the disaccharide molecules that contain beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage. They are the lactose and the cellobiose. Many people have answered it correctly, and that's a good part that you people are taking equal interest in all these. Next, select the correct combination of genetic components that are essential for the transfer of tDNA segment from Agrobacterium tumefaciens to the plant cells. So you have to pick up the correct combination of the genetic components that are essential for the transfer of the tDNA segment from the Agrobacterium to the plant cells. So the correct option is the border repeat sequences and the Vir genes. This one is the correct one. Next, which one of the following statements regarding G proteins is incorrect? Again, I have to say that please read the question carefully so that you can correctly read it, whether you have to pick up the correct statements or the incorrect. Don't just rush to the answers before reading the question carefully. So, what is GDP is bound to G protein in the resting stage. This is also correct. GDP bound alpha subunit cannot resemble with beta gamma dimer. So this is also correct. All G proteins are trimeric. This one is the incorrect statement. C part. Activation of G protein may result in activation or inhibition of the target enzymes. This is also correct. So three options are correct and the C part is the incorrect. Next, which set of the following events? So you have to pick up the set of the events occurs during the elongation step of translation. So what events they occur during the elongation step of translation? That is attachment of mRNA with the smaller subunit of ribosome. No. Then loading of correct amino acyl tRNA into the A site. Correct option. Formation of a peptide bond between the amino acyl tRNA in the A site and the peptide chain that is attached to the peptidyl tRNA in the P site. This is also correct. And dissociation of the ribosomal subunits, no. Translocation of peptidyl tRNA from the A site to the P site of the ribosome. So the correct option is like this, that is the C part, QRT. Next, cosmids, they contain which of the following sequences from the phage genome? So what sequences are there in the cosmids from the phage genome? That is cos and the terminase binding and the cleavage sites. 515. Chloramphenicol acetyltransferase gene. So this is a gene that is the chloramphenicol acetyltransferase gene. It has been used in gene transfer experiments as which of the following? So in the gene transfer experiments, what it is used as? It is used as the scorable marker. 516. A phage-mate vector has which of the following functional modules? So phage-mate vector, it has which of the following functional modules? It is plasmid origin of replication, correct. Two phage lytic genes, correct option. And the cos and the terminase binding sites, this is also correct. So D part is the correct, that is all the three options are correct. Next question. The action of chloramphenicol, it involves which of the following? Previously also I have mentioned that all these questions related to this drugs or the antibiotics, all these are very important. What is the inhibition site? Many of the times they have been repeated in the examination. So the action of chloramphenicol, it is the inhibition of the transcription. Hydrogen peroxide is degraded by the enzyme catalase in which of the following organelles? So the organelles in which this hydrogen peroxide is degraded and by the enzyme catalase, this is the correct option is the peroxisomes. Question number 519. And extremozyme is an enzyme that has which of the following feature? So what is the feature of the extremozyme? Extremely active, extremely long-lived, extremely mobile during electrophoresis. It is stable and active under extreme conditions. D is the correct option. 520 number. Which of the following amino acids disturbs the alpha helical configuration of proteins? So which amino acids it disturbs the alpha helical configuration of proteins? That is proline. 521. Many of the bacillus species are pathogenic to Lepidopteran pests due to which of the following? Why they are pathogenic to this pest, that is the Lepidopteran? The correct option is due to this endotoxin production. Next question. A conditioned medium, it permits which of the following? So what happens in conditioned medium? Subculture at low cell density, this is correct. Elimination of the lag phase, again a correct option. And production of greater biomass. So D part is the correct, that is A, and the B is the correct option. Next. In India, molecular markers cannot be used to resolve issues related to which of the following? So molecular markers, they cannot be used to resolve issues related to what in India? That is the farmer's right. Question number 524. N-linked oligosaccharide biosynthesis. It occurs in the endoplasmic reticulum membrane is blocked by which of the following? So N-linked oligosaccharide biosynthesis, which is occurring in the ER membrane, it is blocked by tunicamycin. This is the correct option. Again, very important question asked many of the times. Last question, the marker enzyme. Again, this is also very important. The marker enzyme for mitochondria is which of the following? So the marker enzyme is the cytochrome C. Here comes a question for you. That is, restriction endonuclease are sometimes unable to digest the DNA even in the presence of the correct recognition sequence. So when is the case that is the restriction endonucleases, they are not able to digest, that is they are unable to digest the DNA even in the presence of the correct recognition sequence. This may be due to which of the following cases? That is acetylation of DNA, methylation of DNA, or the phosphorylation of DNA. So which is the correct, or you can say that all the three are the correct options. Kindly pick up the correct answer and comment us in the comment box. So we'll be discussing this question in our next video. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates to all these videos, and please like and share the video.